Question 8. Two long parallel wires carry currents of 8 ampere and 2 ampere. So we have to calculate the force per unit length on wire 1, magnitude of the magnetic field midway between the wires, and distance where the resultant magnetic field is 0. Okay, so question Roman 1, that the equation that we are going to use is this one shown here. So sorry, F over L mu naught I1 I2 over 2 pi d, where d is the distance between these two wires, which is equal to 12 centimeter lah. Okay, so from here substitute all the values and you should get the the solution to be equal to where is it, 2.7 times 10 negative 5 Newton per meter. Okay, now question 2 pula, Roman 2, the magnitude of the magnetic field midway. So since it asks midway between the wires, d would be equal to 0.06 lah. Okay, 0.06 meter. So the equation that we will be using is for straight wires, so 2 pi r. Calculate for B1 and B2 lah. So B1 you should get 2.67 times 10 negative 5 Tesla, and B2 is gonna be equal to, this one's gonna be R lah. Okay, which is the one shown here. And then this one is 6.67 times 10 negative 6 Tesla. Okay, so after we get B1 and B2, we can then calculate the net magnetic field just by adding these two together lah. B1 minus B2. Okay, so why B2 is minus is because it's in the opposite direction lah, the magnetic flux, because it is going upwards. So you should get 2 times 10 negative 5 Tesla. Okay, boleh faham? I hope you still able to determine the direction of the magnetic flux. Kita remember the magnetic field punya lines, magnetic flux is tangent to the magnetic fields line lah. So this is magnetic flux. Okay, and then what? And then Roman 3, we assume the net field is 0 at x from wire 1. Okay, so this is similar to our example. So example in the notes lah. I'm just gonna directly go into the solution. I hope you are still able to answer lah. Okay, so mu naught 8 and then over 2 pi x. X is the distance from wire 1, which is from here, kita label it as x. Kita mau cari di mana yang resultant magnetic field there equal to 0 lah. Okay, so mu naught, this is 2 ampere, and then 2 pi 0.12 minus the value of x lah. So dari sini you should get x to be equal to 9.6 centimeter from wire 1 lah. Okay, alright, so I'm sorry that it is very simplified punya solution, but actually this is very similar to our examples lah di dalam nota. So kamu tengok je lah macam mana in detail how am I trying to solve these questions. Okay, right, so that is on question number 8.